Well, hello, look what I stumbled upon by accident going off trail. A waterfall in the Rocky River Reservation near North Olmsted. I just chased away a bunch of deer. I surprised them, a handful of deer. I was walking around the lagoon that's over back in there. Saw some mallards and Canadian geese. A lot of trees were been getting chewed up and cut up by beavers. And then over in here, right where I'm at now, there was a bunch of deer, and I just seen some deer pebbles, deer crap over there. And I looked and seen this, heard some water. I've seen a little waterfall. So after you have a little rain or some snow melt, this turns into a waterfall. I believe it's an unpublished waterfall, basically. Pretty neat. Cleveland Metro Park's Rocky River Reservation near Cedar Point Road. I want to go see the Cedar Point Bridge that splits the Rocky River into the East Branch and West Branch, because last time I was out this way they were tearing the bridge out to redo it. How cool is that, right? Stumbled upon an unpublished waterfall.